Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK and welcome to the part 3 of this Tableau interview ask scenario playlist. So let's start with the part 3 scenario first, that is profit loss and all scenario. So the scenario first we will understand the scenario. So in this scenario actually we want whenever I select profit. So in the view, it will shows me only the profit. Whenever I select loss, so it will shows me only loss in the view. And when I select all, so it will shows me profit and loss both as well in the view. So for that, we need to create one parameter and we will name it as profit, loss and all parameter. Okay, whatever name you want to do, you can take whatever name you want to take. Then we will make it as a string list, and first is profit and we want to display as profit. Then second is loss, we want to display as loss, and then third is all and display as all. So this is our parameter, the parameter name. Then we have a data type of the parameter, that is string, and we will create list because we want to add the dynamic values. So profit, loss and all, we have added these three values, and let's click on the OK button and show the parameter. So now the scenario is like, whenever I see the profit, it will shows me only the profit in the view. When I select loss, it will shows me loss in the view. And when I select all, it will shows me all in the view. So let's drag this. Suppose I will drag this subcategory and I will drag the sales. Okay. I will drag the sales and I will drag the sales in the color as well. So sorry, I will make it as text chart, and now we need to connect this profit, loss and all parameter with this visualization. So currently, sorry, I have taken the sum of sales. We need to take profit. So as you can see, we have a two, three, three negative profit fields here, and other than that, remaining values are positive profit. So when I select profit, it will shows me only the plus profit. When I select loss, it will shows me only the negative profit, and when I select all, it will shows me all the positive and negative profit in the view. So for that, we need to first take join this connect this calculation with these visualizations. So for that, we need to write one calculation field, and I will name it as connect parameter. Okay, and now I will write the case. I will take the parameter, that is profit, loss and all, and their case is when profit, okay, then we want sum of profit is greater than 0. Okay, so when we have profit, then our sum of profit is greater than 0, and when we have loss, then our sum of profit is less than 0. Okay, so it will shows us negative values, and when we have all, so I will duplicate these fields. Sum of profit is greater than 0, or we want sum of profit is less than 0. Okay, so let's copy paste this, so and end this calculation. Now I will explain the calculation once again. It will shows error, expected then yeah, so we have all. Then we want sum of profit is greater than 0 or sum of profit is, so here we want sum of profit is less than 0. Okay, so profit, when sum of profit, then sum of profit is greater than 0. When loss, then sum of profit is less than 0. And when all, then sum of profit is greater than 0 or sum of profit is less than 0, and end this calculation. So with the help of this calculation you can join this view, and let's take the calculation into the filter, select true values, click OK. So as you can see, when I select the profit into the parameter, it will shows only the profit values to us. When I select loss, so it will shows only loss values to us. And when I select all, so it will shows both profit and loss in the view. So this is the profit, loss and all scenario. Just remember this calculation field only. I will explain once again. That is case our parameter profit, loss and all parameter. Then when we have profit, then we want sum of profit is greater than 0 because we want positive values. When we have loss, then we want sum of profit is less than 0 because we want minus profit. And when we have all, then we want all the values like sum of profit is greater than 0 or sum of profit is less than 0 because we want positive and negative values both. And end this calculation and take this calculation into the filter and checks true values. So it will give you all the values as per your selection. So let's make it as profit, or let's make it as all. So as you can see, our view is changing as per our parameter selection. Let's move to the second scenario, that is checks this calculation. So these are the very important scenario that is asked in the recent interview. So let's copy paste this field and let's check what are the errors in this calculation. So first we will see the error, that is cannot mix aggregate and non-aggregate comparison or results. So for that you can do two things in this calculation. If you want to like make it proper calculation, so you cannot mix aggregate and non-aggregate, so you remove the sum, okay, from sum of sales and sum of profit. So now it will shows us calculation valid. And if you want to make it sum, so just do one thing, make it sum to the all whole calculation. Okay, so this is the one way, and otherwise you remove the sum from the measures and you will recorrect your calculation through this method. So that's it in this scenario, and that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please do like and subscribe for the channel. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys.